Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to contact with YouTube. So for this tutorial, don't skip the video. Before this video, if you still don't subscribe to our channel, then please go for it. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Okay, then you have to first open your Google browser and go to youtube.com and log into your YouTube channel. So now you have to go to this your profile icon, which is top of the right corner over here. So go for it and scroll down. After that you can see an option as feedback. So click on it. Okay, wait for it. Now you have to describe your problem here. So I'll just write here, hello YouTube team. Okay, now after that you have to uh, attach here a screen capture if you want to attach. So now tap on send. Okay, you have to describe your whole issue here, so I'm not attaching. Okay, send, and they will reply you within 48 hours. So guys, this is how you can contact with YouTube. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.